Your discipline builds your future. Welcome to Clartify.
How to stop self-sabotage. The hidden reason you break your own progress. Most people think their biggest enemy is lack of motivation, or lack of discipline, or lack of time. But the truth is much darker and much closer. Your biggest enemy is you. Specifically, the version of you that sabotages your progress the moment things start going well. Self-sabotage is one of the most destructive forces in personal growth. It makes you quit right when you finally build momentum. It makes you start over again and again. It makes you doubt yourself, shrink your goals, and return to old habits. And the worst part? Most people don't even realize they're doing it. Here's the truth. When you try to improve your life, you activate a battle inside your mind. One part of you wants to grow, but another part wants to stay the same. This hidden part fears discomfort. It fears responsibility. It fears change, even positive change. So it sabotages you in ways you don't notice. You procrastinate. You feel too tired. You distract yourself. You tell yourself, I'll do it later. You break your routine for one day. Then one day becomes 1 week. Then you start from zero again. Self-sabotage isn't laziness. It's fear disguised as logic. You tell yourself logical excuses. I'm overwhelmed. I need a break. I don't feel ready. This is too hard. It's not the right time. But all these excuses come from one place, your comfort zone fighting to stay alive. Because every step you take toward a better life threatens the identity of the old you. And that identity will do anything to survive. Here's the truth you must understand. You don't sabotage yourself because you're weak. You sabotage yourself because you're evolving. Your mind is scared of becoming someone new. Growth feels dangerous, even when it's good for you. So how do you break this cycle? You must first become aware of your patterns. The moment you notice self-sabotage, you weaken it. But when you ignore it, it controls you. Then you replace self-sabotage with something stronger, self-support. Instead of asking, why am I failing? Ask, how can I support myself right now? Instead of expecting perfection, expect progress. Instead of quitting when you feel discomfort, lean into it. Instead of punishing yourself for mistakes, redirect yourself quickly. Because the problem is not making mistakes. The problem is staying stuck inside them. Here's your action step for today. Write down your top 3 self-sabotage behaviors. Then write one opposite behavior for each. For example, self-sabotage. I quit when I feel overwhelmed. Opposite. When I feel overwhelmed, I break the task into one small step. Self-sabotage. I distract myself when I'm stressed. Opposite. When I'm stressed, I take a 2-minute reset. Self-sabotage. I aim for perfection, then quit. Opposite. I focus on completion, not perfection. This simple exercise rewires your mind to respond differently the next time your old patterns appear. But we're not done yet. Even when you defeat self-sabotage, there is another force you must master, the fuel of discipline, your environment. In Lesson 9, you're going to learn how your environment shapes your habits, your discipline, and even your destiny, and how to design an environment that forces success. Don't miss Lesson 9. It might be the most important lesson in this entire series.
Thank you for watching. If you're ready to upgrade your mind and build unshakable discipline, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. More powerful lessons are coming. Stay disciplined. Stay Clarify.